Hi, friends. I am so excited to introduce you to Pixelied. Hopefully, I pronounced that correctly. Pixelied is a feature rich design tool that has an extensive library full of illustrations, vector graphics, icons, color palettes, image removers, thousands of photos. You name it, you got it. So let's get started. Let's log into the application. And once you land on here, you're in a workspace. And I'm in the home workspace. As you can see, there's a check. So what a workspace is, it allows you to collaborate with your team member, keep everything in one place. Let me show you how to create one. Hit create. You will see that I already started. I have one for home project and I have one for design project. So if I create another one, I can maybe call it pandas and images for pandas. And once you go in here, you can see that I can add in team members to collaborate with me. And there's also different folders I can create. San Diego, pandas, folder, National Zoo, pandas. Let's go to team member. Once you add team member, you can put the name and the email and you send the invitation. So once you go into brand preset, put add new preset and say, call it somesai. And you can choose your branding colors. You could simply click the slide right here and change the color. And this is the hex code. So maybe you want yellow, and then right here, red, blue. And you could add and drop your logo. I don't have one right now, but you could move your logo left, right, center, and then you could also use the headline here. So this is a really awesome place to keep everything organized, because once you start designing, you're going to have a lot of different templates and you want to keep it all in one place. You want to keep it organized, which is key to working. And speaking of template, let's go up here. You can go to home, and in home, you'll see that it's organized by different templates here, like social media. You got Facebook, you got Facebook story, cover, event. I mean, they don't leave anything out. Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest. And this design fits the width of the social media channel. So you don't have to think about it. It's all here. And all you simply do is edit and drag and drop. You don't need much design skills, which is awesome. You could look over here too. And you could go to filter. Filters like a search. You could search by categories, art, craft, attorney, pet, and you could also search by colors too. Here, let's say we'll do a YouTube and I want to do a thumbnail. So I could either choose one of these and just edit it. Let's say I choose this one. Just click on it. And once you click and you see these handlebars, you can say, adjust it by pulling the handlebar in and out to make it bigger or smaller. You got to click on it and you see the blue handle around it, and you could delete. You could add in other images. You click on here, click on images, and you can scroll down. There's endless images from Pixelbay and Unsplash, which is free images. Let's say I look for pandas, and I could put something in here. Just simply drag and drop. And you could choose from different illustrations, drop down, see all the categories, avatars, drag one in. That one's kind of cool. And then you could shrink it, click on the handle, slide it down to make it smaller, up, and drag it anywhere you want. And here you could add your branding colors. You got different elements. Of course, you have the drop down arrows, lines. Then you got your icon here. You got all your social media icon, and this is awesome. SVG, which is like a two-dimensional image. Go to social. And here's the definition of SVG. They are scalable vector graphics. It displays two-dimensional drawing using XML, opacity, up or down. And here you could have different layers, bring it forward, bring it back. Let's say you want to bring this guy. Let's see, bring him to the back. See, so he goes behind this image right there. And you could also lock the image. Let's say if you're moving things around and you don't want this little guy to move, you could also lock him, and you're pretty sure that's where you want to place him. And here you could also duplicate him too. See, and then you could drag out. And of course you could also delete if you made a mistake. So next I want to show you mock-up. You could add in your images into here. I put in this panda image and I could stretch this out. It would add it into the mock-up. You see on the right side here? There you go. Done editing. Look what I have. I have a nice mock-up. You could choose all these different designs like a Mac notebook. Once again, all you do is just click into here and then you add your image. And once you add your image, it adds it into the mock-up. How cool is that? I mean, if you did this work in Photoshop, I mean, it would take a lot of time. First of all, you have to remove the background. You have to manually add in your image. This does all the thinking for you. And over here, upload your own file too. So let's say if I use picture, I hit remove background. There you go. That is so awesome. That really does save me a lot of time. If I was doing this in Photoshop, I would have to manually take a marquee tool and then just manually remove everything around. Look how smooth that is. That is great. I mean, that feature alone will save me so much time. And you could also resize here to different size. You could see here, you could do a Facebook cover, LinkedIn post. How awesome is that? And you could also do your custom size too. And if you make a mistake, you can go undo. So these tools are very intuitive. Download using this tool, and you can choose different formats to download. You have JPEG, PNG, PNG transparent, which is good because it can go in any background, SVG, WebP, and then web transparent. That is awesome. And once you're done, you could do done editing. And you also can go into background remover. This is another way if you're not working on a template. And let me upload my image one more time. That is really cool. It's nice and smooth. Over here, let's talk about the illustration. You could edit your illustration right here. And you could change the color, like you want a light palette, you want dark. So you could see the different possibilities of the image. Once again, you add your Facebook icon in here, drag, drop, text, images. There you go. And then double click in there. You could also edit this and change the color right here. And you could do eyedropper, which picks the color that you want. Like, let's say if I pick any color in here, which is great because then I can match my theme. Up here, you have all your formatting, bold, italic, underline. This is just endless possibility. You can create very unique design with everything. There is the roadmap. If you're interested in what the company will do in the future, be sure to check out this roadmap. So AppSumo currently has a deal for starting at $59. And of course, if you have a larger team, you can make a one-time payment of $177. And as you can see, it has a perfect 5-star with 402 reviews. It's an excellent program. But I really love this product. It just saves me so much time. It's incredible with the background remover. I like how there's the workspace and how you could put your files, all organized in one place. And then you could also collaborate with your team members. There's unlimited storage. It's a no-brainer. I definitely do recommend buying this product. So let me know what you think below. Thank you for watching my video and have a great day.